Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you how to make a lovely, simple card using the beautifully penned Designer Series paper. You can get this paper free with your qualifying purchase of $60 during Sale-a-Bration, which runs until September 30th. The paper pack includes 12 sheets, 4 each of 3 double-sided designs. I cased this card from Julie Petrie. So my measurements are a card base of 5.5 by 8.5 inches, black cardstock of 4 by 5 1/4, Designer Series paper 3 7/8 by 5 1/8, a strip of Designer Series paper, which is 5 1/8 by 1 inch, and a strip of white, which is the same size. And then you'll need some additional pieces of black cardstock and Designer Series paper for die cutting. I'm going to start with the die cutting using my layering circles dies to cut out a scalloped circle of black cardstock and then a slightly smaller scalloped circle from the Designer Series paper. Now, the awesome thing about black and white DSP is that it doesn't need to stay black and white. You can turn it into any color you want with a variety of coloring tools: blends, blending brushes, markers, sponge daubers, etc. I'm going to use my fresh Freesia blends today to color in these flowers. I'm going to stamp my sentiment in fresh Freesia ink on the white strip of cardstock. I'm using the stamp set In Your Words, which is a Hostess exclusive during Sale-a-Bration. If you host a party of $375 or more, you can get this stamp set absolutely free, but only until September 30th. Contact me to book your online or in-person party and get this fantastic collection of sentiments for all kinds of occasions. And now I'm ready to assemble my card. I'm going to add some in-color jewels to embellish. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. And good news! In-person classes will be back in September. You can sign up for virtual and in-person events via my website. If you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. And if you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your own online or in-person party. Drop me a line for more details. If you're watching this on YouTube, I invite you to join me on my Facebook page, Inkyfingers Papercrafting. There are fun, creative challenges and other opportunities to win cards from me every week. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping. Bye!